Carrick Álainn. Hello everybody and welcome to the official opening of Carrigallen Gaelic football pitch. Here posing for the photographs out here in front of us are the men from Leitrim, the Leitrim senior county team, and in a few minutes we expect that from down here on our right will come the men from Longford. And at this moment in time let us congratulate both Leitrim and Longford on their progress up a step in the divisions of the National Football League. Both teams have moved up into Division 3 and I'm sure hold great things for the future. While we await the arrival of the Longford team on this the Easter Sunday, which if I could just get the date fixed, I'm not too, the 22nd of April 1984. We'll give you a quick run through the lineup of the teams. There's some changes from that of your programme, so here it is. First of all, the men on the field, Leitrim, dressed in their green and gold. In goal, Damien Cross. At right back, Donny McLaughlin. Full back, Seamus McTighe. And left back is Seamus McManus. The half line on the right, Patrick Beezer McKernan. In the centre, Ollie Honeyman. And on the left, Kevin Doonan. Centre field, Kevin McKeown and Jimmy Ward. The half forward line on the right, Michael Martin. In the centre, Ray Dolan. And on the left, Eamon Degnan. Top of the right, Sean Cross, and full forward, Frank Heavey, and top of the left is Frank Smith. And the men from Longford also with some positional and personnel changes. In goal, John Martin. Right back, Jerry Barnes. Full back, Kevin Hughes, and left back is Philip Smith. The half line on the right, John Keegan. On the centre, Sean O'Shea, and on the left, Seamus Rafter. Centre field is Mick Casey and Michael Riley. The half forward line on the right, Eugene McCormick. In the centre, Liam Tierney, and on the left, Jerry Clark. Top of the right, Dave Barry. Full forward, Kevin O'Rourke. And top of the left, Ray Brogan. And as Kerry McGarahan and Edmund Dolan come over here, sub 4 there it says on Edmund's front, to take a seat in here in the dugout beside us. The man on the PA system, John Mulligan.
Right full back, G. Burney. Full back, J. Hughes. Left full back, D. Smith. Right half back, J. Keegan. And half back, S. O'Shea. And all right.
Right there in the centre of the field, the man in charge, Jimmy Cooney from Killincare and Cavan, tootling on his whistle, and just as we were speaking, the Longford team come out onto the field down here to our right and are now posing for their photographs. Referee from Killincare out there, Jimmy Cooney, checking his watch, backs, come back into positions, forward in the air, 4 midfielders lining up out here in front of us. And a final word of whatever it may be from Aidan Hart, calling the teams over, and there's another little bit of a delay here because the band, the RV Youth Band, have formed up for a pre-match parade. And the team's now being sent over to take up their positions behind them. And up on the hill there, well, some far distant supporters, spectators, or call them what you like, having what's possibly a free little peep. And the parade on its way, led by the RV Youth Band, way over in the far corner, swinging round towards the goal at the dressing room outside the presentation area. The breeze, well, looking at the flags from where we are standing, is a sort of a crossfield wind that may help as far as we are concerned, because normally whenever we are videoing a game, the play always seems to be on the far side of the field. Maybe the wind will bring a bit of luck today and bring the play right beside us. Just fucking half full. Jimmy Cooney out there. And for the benefit of those who may not already know that Jimmy Ward is wearing number 8 and Kevin McKeown is wearing number 9. The national anthem over. Jimmy Cooney checking his watch once again. Checking that the band are off the field. The whistle will throw in and the game is on. Ball tapped down, and that is Michael Riley for Longford, soloing down here to our right, crossing the 45-metre line on the ground, picking the ball up again, tackled back there by Kevin Doonan, pulling that one along the ground and chasing back after it there is Mick Casey, getting a boot to it is Eamon Degnan for Leitrim, out towards the far side of the field, going it after and getting it, lifting it up in towards the corner. Ray Dolan of Ballinamore and Leitrim getting that back to Michael Martin, the Carrick man now, taking a shot in towards the general direction of the goal, and it's in and it's over the bar for the first goal of the game. After 35 seconds of play in the first half, a point for Leitrim and Mick Martin. Longford goalkeeper John Martin to take the kick out from the 20-metre line out into the centre. Ball tapped down. That is Kevin McKeown. Kevin McKeown getting it out there to Jimmy Ward. The Gortletro man getting it out to the far side of the field where Beeson McKernan's got it. Lobbing it in towards the general direction of the goal. Frank Heavey going in after it. Taking the shot and it's in the net. A goal for Leitrim. Frank Heavey the scorer. A goal and a point for Leitrim. And we make it 1 minute, 20 seconds gone in the first half. The Ballinamore combination there as Beezer lofted that one in. John Martin with the kick out. Out towards the centre. Mick Casey bringing that one down. Lobbing it down the centre. A chase for possession kicked away there by Kevin Doonan. Mick Martin getting it out towards the far side of the field. Jerry Clark trying to pick it up. Back there and getting it is Beeson McKernan. Getting it up there to Eamon Degnan. Eamon Degnan into Michael Martin. Michael now being chased by Mick Riley. Michael dropping the ball, having to go back for it, tapping it back here to the Gortletro man, Jimmy Ward. Jimmy Ward getting it on the field there now. Beeson McKernan up helping the attack, fouled, in possession. Mick Martin to take the free. One to no score. 2.5 minutes gone in the second half. And that one is kicked out to the right of the goal on our left and it's gone wide. John Martin to take the kick out for Longford. Down the left wing, ball tapped down, bobbling about out there. And back there now to get it would be Ali Honeyman. Very near the sideline on the far side of the field, Ali in possession. Lobbing that one in, Frank Heavey coming out towards it. Frank Heavey getting the hand to it, but back there and getting to it was Kevin Hughes, the Longford full-back, and the umpire with a hand up signalling that it is a 45. Goalkeeper thought it was a kick out, but Jimmy Cooney thinking the same as I did, and the 45, let's see who, well, Jimmy Ward is out there to take it. Almost 4 minutes gone in the first half. 1-1 or 4 points to Leitrim, no score to Longford. Right for the kick from Jimmy Ward, dropping in and getting it back there is Jerry Barnes. Jerry Barnes for Longford, cleared it down here in front of us. Coming across and getting it there was Jimmy Ward, flicking it in there now to Frank Smith. The Yahoo man soloing across the face of the goal. And back there now and getting the ball is Jerry Barnes of Longford, and Jerry clearing it out towards the far side of the field. And fouled in possession there was Ollie Honeyman, just inside the 45-metre line, and another free to Leitrim and Michael Martin to take it. Right for the kick from Michael, out to the left of the goal on our left, and it's gone wide, and the score remains after almost 5 minutes play in the first half. 1-1 for Leitrim, no score for Longford. John Martin to take the kick out. Eamon Degnan grabbing that one, tackled by John Keegan, foul, says Jimmy Cooney, and a free to Leitrim, and Jimmy Ward prepared to take it. Jimmy stepping back now. Up he comes to kick it right for it. Screwing out towards the left. Frank Heavey tried to get a hand to it. Didn't succeed. Ball out over the end line and it's gone wide. Very, very busy man up there is John Martin. Quite a lot of kick-outs in the early stages. Kevin McKeown in possession there for Leitrim, getting that one on to Jimmy Ward. Calling for it here on this side of the field is Kevin Doonan. Kevin soloing in now across the 45-metre line, and the half-back a kick from out the field has gone out to the left of the goal on our left, and it's gone wide. Score remains 1 goal and 1 point to no score. We make it just over 6 minutes gone in the first half. John Martin's kick out, dropping out across the 45, held there now by Longford captain Mick Casey, pumping that one away down the field, and comes full forward there, Kevin O'Rourke, being tackled back there by Seamus McTighe. Peter McKiernan pulling it up into the centre, Mick Casey out after it and get that now for Longford, and left for a kick back down the centre. Dave Barry tried to get a hand to it, didn't succeed, but getting it is Ray Brogan, and Ray taking a shot that's gone out to the right, to the goal on the right, and it's gone wide. Kick out for Leitrim and Damien Crossan. Kevin McKeown in possession out here in front of us. Kicking it up. And grabbing it there was John Keegan, getting that one down the field. Michael Martin getting a hand to it. Jerry Clark getting 2 hands to it and getting it further down into the corner now to Ray Brogan. Ray soloing down along the left. Tapping that one back now to Jerry Clark. A left for a kick from Jerry, that's going to drop, hop in, and it hopped over the bar for Longford's first score of the game, and that makes it 1-1 to 1 point. We make it almost 8 minutes gone in the first half. Kick out for Damien Crossan of Leitrim. Ball blocked down, Kevin McKeown in possession on the ground out here in front of us, being tackled by Mick Casey. Jimmy Cooney blows the whistle and awards a free to Leitrim. Kevin Doonan being called upon to take it. And standing there back behind him is Leitrim's captain of today, local man Seamus McManus. Kick out of the high one. And ball not wanting to come up there. And eventually it was held back there by Seamus Rafter, who was on the ground, and a free out. Free out to Longford. The big man from fullback, Kevin Hughes, being called out to take it. Dropping down into the centre. And that was Liam Tierney, who was in possession. Jimmy Cooney is going to throw the ball up. Up it goes. Ball knocked on there. Jimmy Ward going back after it for Leitrim on the 45-metre line. Now he's about 35 metres out from his own goal, and now he tapped it across to Kevin Doonan. Kevin going into the centre, kicking that one up. Ollie Honeyman back there and getting it. Ollie Honeyman tapping it back to Kevin Doonan. Kevin Doonan right foot up the centre. Sean Crossan coming out, tapping it down to the upcoming Michael Martin. Players calling for passes all around the place, but that's Philip Smith who came across there and grabbed that one, kicking it out here towards the sideline, very near, out over the sideline here. And it will be a sideline kick to Leitrim. Right down here and under us, and Kevin Doonan to take it. A right for a kick. Across into the centre. Up the goal for it. And Kevin McKeown in possession. Fouled in possession just inside the 45-metre line. And a free to Leitrim, and Jimmy Ward of Courtletter to take it.
Go right, Kevin. Go right, Kevin. Go right, Kevin.
Kick across the field. That's going to go very near the sideline on the far side of the field, but Kevin McKeown keeping it in play. Tapping that one up, ball being added to. And then being added to out into the next field by John Keegan, and that I'm sure could well be a 45. Peter McKern's kick. And the ball just doesn't seem to want to come up for anybody. Seamus Rafter getting it up for Longford. Kicking it out here towards the sideline to Eugene McCormick. Being tackled by Kevin Doonan. Eugene McCormick soloing down here in under us. Still being tackled. Fouled by Kevin Doonan. So it's Jimmy Cooney, and there's a free to the men from Longford. Just out here in front of us. Mick Casey to take it. Mick Casey getting that one in, and then coming back to him again from Jerry Clark. A high kick from out the field from Mick Casey, just dropping out to the right of the goal on the right, and it's gone wide. And the score remains 1 goal and 2 points. No, 1 goal and 1 point to 1 point. 1-1 to 1 point. Leitrim the leaders. After just over 12 minutes play in the first half. Damien Crossan to take the kick out. Right for the one. Held there by Liam Tierney. Liam getting it out now to Jerry Clark. A left foot kick from Jerry Clark. Damien Crossan covering, getting it to his chest. Tapping it out there to Seamus McManus. Seamus McManus up now to Eamon Degnan. Doesn't quite hold on to it. Liam Tierney in getting that one back there now to John Keegan. John Keegan getting it in now to Jerry Barnes. And Jerry Clark getting it further down the field. Seamus McTague in possession on the ground. Kevin O'Rourke in possession of him. Jimmy Cooney in possession of a whistle, which he blows and says a free out to Leitrim. Damien Crossan to take the free out. Out towards the far side of the field. Mick Martin in possession. The St Mary's man now coming in field with the ball, getting that one up. That is Ray Dolan. Ray Dolan tapping that one on. Frank Smith tapping it down, then going out after it. Frank Smith chipping that one back in there now to Sean Crossan. Sean trying to work his way through and penalised back there on the 20-metre line, and a free out to Longford. Philip Smith standing over the ball, and let's see, yes, I think by the looks of things that Philip Smith is going to take the kick out. The man from Granard St Mary's, up he comes now. Down along the far side of the field. Beezer McKiernan waits, ball is tapped down. Kevin McKeown trying to keep it from going over the sideline. Ball very near the sideline on the far side of the field. A bit of a ruck on the ball, the linesman Edmund Dolan with his flag raised. Longford claiming the sideline kick. Let's see which way it's going. It's going to Leitrim. And here comes Jimmy Cooney blowing the whistle, a free into Leitrim, just out to the 45-metre line. And Jimmy Ward to take it. Jimmy Ward kicking it up there now. Back is Philip Smith. Philip getting it out here to Mick Casey. Mick Casey now about 40 metres out. His kick is half blocked down there. Liam Tierney couldn't quite hold on to it. Kevin McKeown getting it back there to Kevin Doonan. Left for a kick from Kevin Doonan up and towards the corner. They're tussling for it. Back there is Kevin Hughes. Kevin Hughes getting down, well, partially away, but Frank Heavey in possession now, being battled up out there halfway between the 20-metre line and the 13, but the referee penalised them for holding the ball too long and is awarding a free out to Longford. Kevin Hughes, the Longford fullback, with the ball placed, he himself to take the free out. Right for the one, hanging down here near the sideline. Kevin Doonan back behind the bunch, gaining possession, being battled up, still in possession. Being dispossessed out there now by Liam Tierney. Liam trying to get away with it. And still Liam Tierney in possession, fouled in possession, and a free to Longford. Mick Casey placing the ball, and Mick Casey to take the free. Right for the kick, dropping right down into the goal mat, ball blocked down by Seamus McTighe. It's in the parallelogram, and coming out there was Donny McLaughlin, getting it out now to Kevin McKeown. Kevin McKeown feeding it up there to Sean Crossan. The man they call Banner, getting that one on there now to Mickey Martin. Mickey Martin soloing in, being chased all the way there by Seamus Rafter, taking a shot and sending it over the bar for a point for Leitrim. Mickey Martin the scorer, and that makes it 1 goal and 2 points to 1 point. We make it 16 and a half minutes gone in the first half. John Martin to take the kick out for Longford. Right for the one. Kevin McKeown breaking it down. Get that Frank Smith getting it, tapping it on to Jimmy Ward. Jimmy Ward soloing through now. Still going through, takes a shot from out the field and is held in there by John Martin, the goalkeeper. John clearing it out towards this side of the field. Eugene McCormick going back there and getting for it. Kevin Doonan back there with him. This is Eugene McCormick in possession, soloing down here in front of us, still being tackled. Kicking that one down now towards Dave Barry, taking it to his chest. Tackled there by Seamus McManus. And the referee has blown his whistle and has penalised the Longford man for a little bit of elbow use there, and a free out to the Leitrim men. Seamus McManus placing it, and Seamus himself to take it. Right for the one for Seamus. Ball pulled down there now by Mickey Martin, who in turn is pulled down by Seamus Rafter, and another free to Leitrim. One, two to a point. Mickey Martin's kick is high. It hit the upright and dropped down out over the end line and gone wide. Kick out for Longford, taken by John Martin, and this one just comes out to Frank Smith. Frank Smith chipping that one in there now for Frank Heavey. A shot from Heavey that's high, very, very high, dropping in towards the parallelogram. Whistle gone, a free out to Longford. John Martin with the free out. Ball tapped down here in front of us. Eugene McCormick picking it up. Being tackled there by Kevin McKeown, foul, and a free to Longford. Out here in front of us, and Mick Casey to take it.
Watch the run, Jimmy!
That is Ray Brogan getting that one across the centre. Seamus McTighe tapping it down. Kevin O'Rourke picking it up, taking a shot, and he sends it in and sends it over the bar for Longford's second score of the game. That's 2 points for Longford. A goal and 2 for Leitrim, 2 for Longford. 20 minutes gone in the first half. Damien Crossan to take the kick out. Right for the one. Ball tapped down again. Back there is Donny McLaughlin. Donny a left-footed high kick. Frank Smith was beaten to the punch there now by John Keegan, but back there is Patrick Beezer McCarran getting it to Mickey Martin. Mickey Martin now right for the kick away out towards the corner. Frank Smith away out there in that corner. In possession. Getting that one into Beezer McCarran, who's run on a shot from Beezer and it's gone wide. John Martin's kick out. Down the centre. Ball knocked down there now. Coming away with it there is Mickey Martin, being chased by Philip Smith. Mickey Martin still in possession and the referee has blown his whistle. As Frank Heavey went through and sent that one to the net, but the referee had blown the whistle for a foul on Mickey Martin and Sean Crossan to take it. Sean, one of the many Ballinamore men on the Leitrim team here today, a left-footed kicker, and he slats that one in and over the bar to increase the Leitrim lead to make it now 1 goal and 3 points to 2 points after almost 22 minutes play in the first half. Ball being kicked out. Liam Tierney bringing it down there. And Longford coming on the attack now as the ball beats a ruck of players in there, and now it's Ray Brogan who got a boot to it, then has to chase after to keep it in play way down near the corner flag. Ray Brogan tapping that one back. That is Kevin O'Rourke. Kevin O'Rourke, a high kick from out the field that's hanging in the breeze. Out over the end line and it's gone wide. Score remains 1-3 to 2 points. Damien Crossan's kick out. Held out there by Jimmy Ward on the 45-metre line, getting that one up where Mickey Martin's got it. Getting it further up the field where Ray Dolan was fouled. The play goes on. Sean Crossan's kick is blocked down there by Seamus Rafter. Seamus getting that one out there to Michael Riley. Michael Riley kicking it down there now to Liam Tierney. Liam Tierney kicking out to this side of the field towards Dave Barry. Dave taking it to his chest, then tapping it on there now for the on-running Eugene McCormick. Kevin Doonan back there with him. Eugene McCormick trying to get past him in along the end line, get it back to Dave Barry. Dave Barry a shot and a point. 1-3 to 3 points. Leitrim the leaders. Damien Crossan coming out with the ball for the kick out. Right for the kick out towards this side of the field. Kevin Doonan taking it, tapping it in now there, but he didn't leave much for Seamus McManus to grasp at, and away comes, well, they were for a moment, but Ali Honeyman broke up the Longford attack, getting that one in for Ray Dolan. He couldn't quite get to it. Michael Riley gets it for Longford. Michael Riley sending it high, down the centre. Players wait. Eugene McCormick in possession, being tackled by Seamus McManus and Kevin Doonan. A shot from Eugene McCormick that's stopping in, and Damien Crossan taking it there. And then pumping it out towards this side of the field. Ball coming to Eamon Degnan. Eamon Degnan for Leitrim now. Getting that one further up the field where Frank Smith has got it. Frank Smith tapping it on there now to Eamon Degnan, who's run onto it. Back there tussling for it with them was Sean O'Shea. And the referee has blown his whistle. And a free into Leitrim and Sean Crossan to take it. Just over 25 minutes gone in the first half. Left for the kick from Sean Crossan. The umpire reaches for the flag. We'll put down the score as 1 goal and 4 points for Leitrim, 3 points for Longford. John Martin's kick out towards the centre. Kevin McKeown after it out there again. Kevin in possession, kicking it a high one, way up and towards Frank Heavey there. Ball knocked down. Back there and getting it now is John Keegan. John Keegan getting it out here. But Jerry Barnes clears it down, and that is Kevin McKeown again. out over the sideline, right here in front of us, and a sideline kick.
Come on, Eamon, let's attack everything, right?
Mick Casey, who's injured out there in the centre of the field, is being attended to and maybe going off the Longford team. And as soon as we get the substitute's name, we will tell you. As Mick Casey has been helped off here down to her right. John Keegan with the kick. Back there is Jimmy Ward of Leitrim. Jimmy Ward lifting it up here in front of us. Frank Smith coming down to it. And that is the Longford sub, whom we haven't got a name for yet, getting that one kicked in. Philip Kieran it was, wearing number 20. And that is Liam Tierney. A kick from Liam that's out towards the corner, gone out over the end line and gone wide. Philip Kieran is centre of the field. And Longford captain Mick Casey, who went off injured just a few minutes ago. Damien Crossan to take the kick out. Out towards the far side of the field. That is Jerry Clark getting that one back there now to Sean O'Shea. Sean O'Shea being chased by Ray Dolan. He's 45 metres out for the Leitrim goal. The centre half kicks a high one. Dropping down, ball punched down. Eamon Degnan. And that's Kevin Doonan now. Kevin Doonan in possession, foul in possession. Free 45 metres out from the Leitrim goal. Seamus McManus to take it. Almost 29 minutes gone in the first half. The kick out towards Mickey Martin, who's chasing after it out there on the 45-metre line on the far side of the field. Tapping that one up to the up-running Ollie Honeyman. Ollie, who've moved up from centre half back, getting that one back out to the wing to Mickey Martin. Mickey Martin getting it up to Frank Smith. Frank Smith being tackled by Jerry Barnes out there in the corner, getting it back where the ball is knocked away by Liam Tierney, and coming away with it is Jerry Clark on the far side of the field for Longford. Jerry soloing down, getting it down there where Donny McLaughlin gets it. Bundled over there by Ray Brogan, and a free up to Leitrim.
Right, Ollie, look for it.
Midfielder Kevin McKeown to take it. Right for the one. Ball curling up into the centre. And Mickey Martin in possession. Kicking that one out to the wing to Kevin McKeown. Kevin McKeown steadying himself, taking a shot in that Frank Heavey can't get to. Ball gone out over the end line and it's gone wide. Just the 30 minutes up, there may be a little time added on for stoppages. Jimmy Cooney with the whistle in his mouth and checking his watch, and the half-time whistle could well blow with this kick out. And there goes the half-time whistle, and so at half-time here in Carrigallen, the scoreboard reads 1 goal and 4 points to Leitrim, 3 points to Longford. And we hope to be back with you with the story and the pictures of the second half. And another substitute on the Longford team, Pat Duggan wearing number 17 in place of Michael Riley, and now we've got 2 Longford substitutes, and both of them are playing in there at centre field. The other one, of course, being number 20, Philip Kieran, who came on just before half-time for the injured Mick Casey. Jimmy Cooney checking that everything is on the ball, as it were. And the second half is on, and Pat Duggan tapping that one down, but Jimmy Ward getting it now on there to Kevin McKeown for Leitrim. Kevin McKeown feeding it down the centre. Back there is Sean O'Shea of Longford. Sean soloing out with the ball. Being tackled by Sean Crossan, fouled by Sean Crossan, and a free out to Longford just outside their own 45-metre line. Little loss of a boot there by the centre half back.
Half-time score in the game was from here to field.
Sean O'Shea with the boot replaced now, taking the kick. Jerry Clark in possession. Jerry kicking that one up into the corner. Back there is Kevin Doonan for Leitrim. His kick half blocked down, but Donny McLaughlin is back there to help. Donny lefting it down now to Beezer McKiernan, who's moved over to the far side of the field. Ball gone down along the sideline. Frank Heavey coming out to pick it up. Kicking it a high one, dropping down into the general direction of the goal. And in after it there now is Sean Crossan, who gets it. His kick is blocked down. Philip Smith in possession. Philip Smith chipping that one out here, out in front of us. That is Ray Brogan. Ray Brogan getting it out to the far side of the field to Pat Duggan. Pat Duggan a right foot kick into the direction of the goal. Damien Crossan has donned a cap or a sunshade or something up there, but here comes Longford onto the attack. That is Kevin O'Rourke. Kevin O'Rourke, a shot from out the field, is stopping out towards the right of the goal on our left, and it's gone wide. And so, after about 2.5 minutes or so of the second half, the score remains 1-4 to 3 points. Damien's Crossan's kick comes out into the centre. Jerry Clark getting that one on to Pat Duggan, who had a shot from out the field, has gone in and over the bar, and at the point for Longford. 1-4 to 4 points. Almost 3 minutes gone in the second half. Damien Crossan's kick out towards the wing. Dave Barry out there getting it for Longford. Getting that one up into the centre. Kevin O'Rourke in possession. Being chased there now by Seamus McTighe. Back there is Ollie Honeyman picking that one up. Ollie now kicking it away down where Mickey Martin called for it. Sean O'Shea chasing back after it. Sean Crossan coming out to check him. And the referee has blown his whistle. Free to Leitrim. Mickey Martin to take it. This one, no, Jimmy Ward is going to take it. On the 45-metre line. High kick from Jimmy Ward, way out towards the corner. Kept in play out there by Frank Heavey. That is Sean O'Shea. Well, it was Frank Smith who kept it in play. This is Eugene McCormick. Eugene McCormick kicking that one up to Ray Brogan. Ray Brogan out on the far side of the field. Donny McLaughlin out there with him. Dave Barry now tussling for possession with Seamus McManus. Jimmy Cooney once again with the whistle sounded. Free into Longford. Kevin O'Rourke, the big full forward, gone out to take it. Up there on the 13-metre line, out to the right of the goal on our left. Kicking it in. Ball gone out over the end line, up here to our left, and it's gone wide, and the score remains 1 goal and 4 points to 4 points. Damien Crossan kicks this one out towards the wing. out over the sideline, just outside the 45-metre line. Jimmy Ward adds to it out over the fence, and it will be when it comes back, which is now a sideline kick to Longford. Philip Kiernan. Right for a kick across into the centre. Kevin O'Rourke couldn't quite hold on to it. Coming out then and getting it on the 45-metre line, being tackled by Mickey Martin. Still in possession. Kicking that one out towards the far side of the field to Pat Duggan, who has to chase after it. Ball very near the sideline. Kevin Doonan was tussling for it out there. And Kevin O'Rourke, Pat Duggan it was, who come in, tried to get a boot to it, but Seamus McManus coming out with it. His clearance goes out there to Philip Kiernan, who sends it back in again. Ball tapped out again, this time to Liam Tierney of Longford. Liam Tierney, a high hanging shot from out the field that hit the crossbar and come back now. Dave Barry taps it down. A goal! A goal for Jerry Clark of Longford, and the sides are level at 1 goal and 4 points apiece. Almost 7 minutes gone in the second half. 1 goal and 4 for Leitrim, 1 goal and 4 for Longford. Ball kicked out into the centre. Jimmy Ward trying to get away with it for Leitrim. Jimmy tapping it on there now. Sean Crossan coming out and getting it, being tackled there by Sean O'Shea. Fouled by Sean O'Shea on the 45-metre line. Kick quickly taken in there now to Frank Smith, trying to work his way in. Being battled up, Frank Smith still in possession. Still being battled up. Still in possession, gets it back to Sean Crossan. And there's a tremendous maul on there, down and under us. And the referee, Jimmy Cooney, is calling for the ball. And going to throw it up between the players from both sides. Sean O'Shea coming out with the ball for Longford, getting it out towards the far side of the field. We see a Leitrim substitute preparing here to get into the game. We'll follow the play. Dave Barry tapping that one down. Back there now, Kevin Doonan, and also out there is Eugene McCormick. That is Dave Barry in possession for Longford. Chipping that one into Liam Tierney. Liam Tierney, a left free kick from out the field. It's gone high, out to the left of the goal, and it's gone wide. Joe Reynolds gone into the game, and the man he's replacing is Kevin Doonan. That is Kevin McKeown. Getting that one down there to Eamon Degnan. Ball didn't just bounce for him, and the referee, well, right on the spot to see Eamon being pulled back as he tried to get after it, and a free to Leitrim. Joe Reynolds in at left half back. Ball kicked down. Jerry Barnes out there for Longford. Jerry getting that one in now to John Keegan. John Keegan, a high one up across the centre. They're waiting for the Seamus McManus, bringing that one down. Tapping it on there now to Kevin McKeown. Kevin McKeown, a high one. Ray Dolan knocking it on. A tussle for possession in there. The ball coming on the loose now. And it's gone inside where Frank Heavey gets it into the back of the net for a goal for Leitrim to put Leitrim ahead again. The combination again with Frank Smith and Frank Heavey, and the ball ending up there in the back of the net. 2-4 to 4 points. Leitrim the leaders. We'll make it almost 10 minutes gone in the second half. John Martin with the kick out. A push in the back on Jimmy Ward out there, and there's a free to Leitrim. Just inside their own half of the field. Inside the Longford half of the field. Jimmy Ward's kick. Dropping down. Ball knocked down there. Sean Crossan trying to get it up. Liam Tierney getting it up for Longford. Toe to hand once, then kicks it way up there now to Dave Barry, who tapped it, then got it on the bounce. Soloing away there, being chased by Seamus McManus. Being tackled by Seamus McManus. Fouled by Seamus McManus, and a free into Longford. 2-4 to 1-4, Leitrim the leaders. And Eugene McCormick placing the ball, and Eugene to take the free. And he sends it wide, and score remains 2-4 to 1-4. Another substitute going into the Leitrim team. Shane Heslin of Gortletra has gone in, and Eamon Degnan is coming off the Leitrim team. Here comes the kick out. And that is Sean O'Shea. Sean left foot in that one, a high one up. And the ball coming to Beezer McKiernan. Beezer left it down here where Mickey Martin's got the chase after it here in front of us. Mickey now tapping it back there to Jimmy Ward. Jimmy Ward now right footing it, a high one down into the where Ray Dolan taps it down there now to Shane Heslin. And Shane takes the shot from out the field. It's gone out over the wire on the lower corner there, and it's gone wide. Score remains 2-4 to 1-4. We make it 12 minutes gone in the second half. John Martin with the kick out. And nobody seeming to get to it for the moment. That is Jerry Clark who gets it for Longford, kicking it away up here on the left. Donny McLaughlin covering back there, taking that one now. But 30 metres out, getting it down to Mickey Martin. Mickey Martin tapping it onto the overlapping Beezer McKiernan. Beezer a high kick across into the centre. Held back there now by Jerry Barnes, I think it is. That is Pat Duggan. Kick back down there by Mickey Martin. And Mickey pumping that one out here very near the sideline, out over the sideline. Held down there by Packy McGarty, who come out of the dugout, wants to get back into the game. And sideline kick to the men from Longford. Kick coming up out over the sideline right here beside us. And it is a sideline kick to Leitrim.
Jerry, come on. Oh, Beezer. Hold him out. Try Ray Dolan, Beezer, come on.
Beezer McKiernan with the kick. Down along the line, Ray Dolan and Philip Smith waits. Ball coming off Ray Dolan. Well, the ball came off along for man. I thought for a moment that it was Ray who got a hand to it, but it's a sideline kick to Leitrim. Patrick McKiernan with it, right-footed one. Dropping in, ball tapped down, coming out with now is Philip Kiernan, and a free out to Longford.
Yeah, Jerry, go to the top here.
Kevin Hughes with the kick. Pat Duggan bringing that one down. Getting it on there now. When the attack is broken up. Out comes Joe Reynolds, gets it out over the sideline on the far side of the field, on the halfway line. And it is sideline kick to Longford. Frank Smith with the ball, but John Keegan to take the sideline kick. Up along the wing, Seamus Donny McLaughlin it was who come down and got it. And Jerry Barnes getting that one again for Longford, getting up towards Dave Barry, not quite holding on to it. That is Philip Kieran who gets it up. Jerry Clark getting a boot to it. Seamus McTague coming out, getting it out to Jimmy Ward. Further on there now to Mickey Martin. Mickey Martin pumping it a high one down the centre. Back there is Seamus Rafter. Seamus Rafter foul as he tries to come out and a free out to Longford. Halfway through the second half, that's Philip Kiernan. His kick blocked down. Sean Crossan going out after the ball, getting it along the ground. Peter McKiernan tapping that one down for Leitrim. Seamus McTague coming out, kicking it down the centre. Sean Crossan. Sean Crossan tapping it back to Jimmy Ward. Jimmy Ward getting it out there now to the far side of the field. And Ray Dolan racing for possession down here in this corner. Being chased by Philip Smith. Still Ray Dolan in possession on the ground and free into Leitrim. This one about the 13-metre line down here to our right, and a good angle for a left-footed kicker like Sean Crossan. Not good enough of an angle for a left-footed kicker like Sean Crossan. Score remains 2-4 to 1-4. Another sub going into the Leitrim team. Game there, and Sean Crossan, who's coming off, one Ballinamore man for another. Here comes the kick out. Jerry Barnes in possession for Longford. Kicking that one up. Donny McLaughlin bringing it down, not holding on to it. That is Kevin O'Rourke working his way through now for Longford. Still Kevin O'Rourke in possession, still going through. And back there is Seamus McTighe tussling for it, and the ball has gone out over the end line and it's gone wide. But Damien's crossing kick coming out towards the wing, over the heads of everybody. Sean O'Shea back there, Sean kicking it up now into the corner, back there for Donny McLaughlin. Donny getting that one down for Mickey Martin. And the ball coming very near the sideline, out over the sideline, and it will be...
Go, take it!
Sideline kick to Leitrim. Down now from Beezer McKiernan towards Frank Heavey, tussling for it there now with Kevin Hughes. I see another sub on the Longford team up here in the corner forward position. We'll have his name in a few moments. Michael Martin's kick. Gone wide, score remains. Mickey O'Hara in the game and Ray Brogan gone off. 2-4 to 1-4. The score remains. Here comes the kick out. Kevin McCune not holding it, but Philip Kiernan did. Philip Kiernan kicking that one into the centre. The big full forward Kevin O'Rourke coming out to get it. Kevin tapping that one on. Jerry Barnes out to Liam Tierney. Liam Tierney in there to Dave Barry. Dave Barry trying to work his way through. Gets that one in now there to Pat Duggan to take the shot, and it's gone in and it's gone over the bar to narrow the gap, and I see Ray Brogan back on the field of play out there. Ray Brogan back in the field of play, and this looks like Pat Duggan, who's coming down here and maybe going off the Longford team. And that, to me, must be 3 substitutions so far apiece. 2-4 to 1-5. Two points between them. Here come Longford again. Kevin Hughes getting that one up on the far side to Jerry Barnes. Jerry Barnes getting it up now to Mickey O'Hara. Mickey the sub who's come in a few minutes ago. Lobbing that one up. Liam Tierney in possession. Liam now about the 13-metre line, takes a shot, it's high, it's curling, and it's over the bar to narrow the gap to just 1 point. 2-4 to 1-6. Jerome Quinn being called upon to enter the fray. Coming out of the game and being replaced there by Jerome Quinn of Allwillam. Damien's Crossing's kick out, down into the centre, bunching out there in the centre of the field. And Longford onto the attack again, but the ball has gone out over the sideline, up there on the 45-metre line. And it is a sideline kick to Leitrim, and Donny McLaughlin to take it. Getting that one in now to Jimmy Ward. Jimmy Ward tapping it on for Ollie Honeyman. Ollie Honeyman kicking it down now, where Frank Heavey coming out to it. Frank in possession, trying to work his way through, tapping that one in now. For Ray Dolan, Ray couldn't get in with it, and the ball is eventually cleared out there now to Sean O'Shea, who gets it out here to Dave Barry. Jerome Quinn tussling there too, and away come Longford. And Sean O'Shea and Jerome Quinn both on the ground. Well, Philip Kiernan with the free. And that is Eugene McCormick, who takes a shot from out the field and has gone out to the right of the goal on our left and has gone wide, and score remains 2-4 to 1-6, 10 points to 9. Kick out, chopping out towards the centre. Ray Dolan, Ray feeding that one away down the field now. Jerry Logan in possession, tapping it on for Shane Heslin. Shane Heslin now takes a shot from out the field and has gone to the right, to the goal on the right, and gone wide. Score remains 2-4 to 1-6. We make it just over 6 minutes left in the game. 1 point between them. John Martin with the kick out. Dropping it across the 45. Jimmy Ward pulling it down. Jimmy Ward trying to get through. And a shot from Frank Smith that's gone out and has gone wide, and the score remains 2-4 to 1-6. Jimmy Ward replacing a boot out there. Jerry Clark. Donny McLaughlin tapping that one down to Shane Heslin. Shane Heslin pumping it down there now. Frank Smith in possession. Frank Smith getting that one on, where Ray Dolan will have to chase after it. Gives up the ghost, does it, whereas the ball goes out over the sideline. Down here to her right. Sideline kick to Longford. Philip Smith of Branner to take it.
Go, Kev.
Here comes the kick, right here in front of us, tapped down by Jimmy Ward to Kevin McKeown. Back there now to Jerome Quinn, a left footed kick from Jerome Quinn. Frank Smith in possession. Frank Smith getting that one across, where Philip Smith gets a toe to it, and Jimmy Ward going in after it, Jerry Barnes after it, and Ray Dolan. Back there now is John Keegan. John Keegan for Longford. Sending it high. Liam Tierney brings it down. Tackled by Ollie Honeyman. Brought by Ollie Honeyman, who's tackled himself. Fouled as he tried to get away with it. And there is a free to Leitrim. Kevin McKeown to take the free for Leitrim. 1 point between them. We make it 4 minutes left in the game. A high kick from Kevin McKeown, lobbing right down into the goal mouth. Held in there now by Ray Dolan, trying to work his way through. And Jimmy Cooney has blown the whistle. The backs are lining the goal. It's free in. Front of the goal, tapped over by Mickey Martin to increase the Leitrim lead now, 2-5 to 1-6, 2 points between them. Three and a half minutes left in the game. John Martin to take the kick out. Slips as he does so, gets it out across into the centre. Ball tapped down, that's Frank Smith. The Ahoilla man kicking it along the ground. Joe Randall's getting a boot to it. Back there now is Jerry Barnes of Longford. Gets it up to Eugene McCormick. Eugene McCormick, the right three-quarter, soloing up along the far side of the field. Still in possession. Being tackled back there. Takes a left for a kick from out the field, is dropping in. Damien crossing in the goal, taking it to his chest. Clearing it out now. And the ball coming out there to Shane Heslin, who kicks it down. Safety first as it went out over the sideline on the far side of the field. John Keegan of Longford gone across to take it. The signal there from Hughie McGorrihan, and Hughie just a little touch and a pat on the top for the ball. Holly Honeyman back there. Joe Reynolds back there getting it for Leitrim down along the sideline. Frank Smith very near the sideline. Being tackled, still Frank Smith in possession. Further downfield to Frank Heavey. Frank Heavey lobbing it in there now. Jerry Logan looks about him, takes a shot from Jerry Logan and the point from Jerry Logan. 2-6 to 1-6. One goal between them. Less than 2 minutes left in the game. Leitrim the leaders. John Martin with the kick out. Kevin McKeown and Jerry McClark, the one who won possession. Then a high kick. Tony McLaughlin waits with Mick O'Hara. Ball broken loose out there. And it comes now to Dave Barry, who just couldn't get it up. Back there is Jerome Quinn. Jerome Quinn lifting it out to the far side of the field was Jimmy Ward, the Gort Leitrim man, taking that one now, tapping it back, and here come the Leitrim men. Time taken away. That's Jerry Barnes of Longford. Jerry fouled out there. Jimmy Cooney with the whistle blown, and John Keegan taking the quick free out to Liam Tierney on the far side of the field. Liam Tierney now, right for the kick, lobbing in towards the goal mouth. The wait for it. Ball in there, and it's deflected in, and let's see it. It's in the back of the net. The sides are level with, well, very little time left in the game. Just over half a minute left in the game, and the scoreboard reading 2-6 to 2-6. Here comes the kick out from Damien Crossan. Down. Ray Dolan. Ray lashing that one down towards Frank Heavey. Back there is Kevin Hughes. Kevin Hughes now getting that one out into the centre. And there goes the final whistle from Jimmy Cooney of Killincare. And we make it 2-6 apiece. Let's see what's happening. Was the crowd leave from this glorious Easter Sunday from Carrigallen? Your man on the camera was Harry Masterson. This is Tommy Tighe and Slán.